Hi, friends. Well, sometimes teachers have technical difficulties, and I had that today. And I kept making this little bird's nest, not knowing that my camera had already stopped moving. So I wanted to show you, here's the finished product. I did a lot of this twigs, the ones made out of felt. Then I added some on the bottom at the last minute, added some feathers, and a little bit of ribbon and twigs that I had found in our neighborhood. Then I added these little pretend blue bird's eggs. Now I'm going to let it really dry for a while, but I wanted you to see it. I am so excited about this little bird's nest, and I hope that you have some fun with yours too. Looking forward to seeing yours next time we meet in class. Have a great day.